Hi guys! We're here in Tanjung Lesong, just the three of us. Look, it keeps raining here, so hindi kami makalabas para mag-pictorial at wala ding sun. Kahapon naka-pictorial kami, so we are eating our late breakfast here. And then look how beautiful the place is. It's raining, and raining. At kami lang, walang tao. Tingnan nyo, walang tao. Wala. Ghost town.
Di ba may quarantine? Ako naunang na dito. Pakita ko sa iyo yung bago nila.
Walang katao-tao sa lugar na ito. Kami lang po. Kami lang. Kami lang. Yeah. Oh. There is none in here except us. So, the restaurant is in front of us. So, look. This is the pool outside. This is the pool outside. And then yung beach. So, there is no people in here. Even the restaurant. No people. Walang katao-tao. Kami lang tatlo dito. Just imagine. It's because of the pandemic, guys. Okay? So, that's the name. Tanjung Lesong. I don't know if you can see it. There. And the ceiling is so nice as well. Look. Ooh.